Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert to Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao from Hyderabad. Today in our video, we are going to discuss about backup and restore company data in Tally Prime. See here, so far you are working on Tally Prime release 4.0. Recently, 4.1 release is also released by Tally, but both are same. All the features of 4.0 are the same in 4.1 also, but the two more features are added in 4.1. That is already we discussed in the videos. MSME reports and also what you call e-commerce operator information. These two features are added in 4.1, except that both are same. So there are a lot of companies are there in 4.0. So we will take up 4.0 today. So in this 4.0, what is meant by backup and restore? So what is meant by backup of data and what is meant restore of data? That we are going to learn. I'm going to share the screen. Yes, see. We're going to share this. You see here, previously we completed all this up to unlisted years. Now backup and restore company data in Tally Prime 4.1 or 4.0, both are same. Okay, 4.1 or 4.0 manual. So how to do it in manually? That's what we are going to learn. So here I am going to 4.0. See here, E drive Tally Prime 4.0 in that data folder. So all the data is there. Here we created lot of companies. So all the numbers are there. And all the companies we made some data entry. That is, we entered data in all the companies. So the data which is entered in all these companies is called the original data because originally we entered. So it's called as original data. So we are going on entering the data. Suppose in this drive or in any company, if some problem occurs, that is in the company, data may be spoiled. There may be spoiled of data or some problem in the data, or there may be some problem in the drive itself, but the data in the data folder, there may be. Okay. Or sometimes, when we have all the companies, so there may be one company or some companies which we created, but we are not using them. In such a case, we don't want to keep them. We can delete them also. So, okay, if you want to delete, suppose when you are deleting that company, which is not useful, when you are deleting by mistake, we deleted another company which is on which we are working. So another company is required, but that company by mistake we deleted. In such a case, or any problem in the data, or any problem in the drive, or anything crashed, or these things. In this case, so the data, if it is deleted, in every case, the data is lost. So in such a case, what about the data? We have to create the company. We have to enter the data from April 1st. Every entry, all the entries we have to make. For example, we are in March. So from April to March, all the entries you have to make will be a very burden as it will take a lot of time. So to prevent that, what we do is, so the original data in all the companies, is copied and saved in a safe place, in another place. It says, this is in E drive, this Tally Prime 4.0 data folder, this database. This is E drive, not this drive. You can save it save and keep in safe place in another drive. If you keep it in the same drive, there is no use. So in another drive, we keep the copied data, we keep them in another drive. That data is called that keeping them, saving and keeping in a safe place in another place, that is another drive, is called as backup. Saving the data in another place is called as backup. So this data will be saved. So if anything happens here, but the data will be saved at that place. But when you are taking the backup, it is better you take backup every day. Every day if you take backup, So your backup will be up to date. Today you backed up. So the data is backup, up to date. Again, tomorrow you will make some entries. Tomorrow again you back up. In such a case, tomorrow also the backup will be up to date. So it is better to back up every day. And in the first time, for the first time, back up all the companies. From next second day onwards, you back up only those companies in which you work. In that case, that for that company, the backup will be latest. It will the data which is done today, it will replace the old backup. So old backup will go and the latest backup will be there. Okay, so like this, you will have all the companies backup and the latest backup you will have. So every day, whatever companies you work, only those you can backup. You need to backup all the companies. Okay, like this. So how to backup? And then if something happens, I told now, something happens, in such a case, data is lost, but data is saved in another place. In such a case, what we will do? So to this same drive, to the same place, the saved data or the backed up data, the data backup, that will be brought back here and the data will come here, then we can continue. So bringing back the backed up data to the original place, to the original data folder, that is the company data path. If you bring back, it is called as restore. Recovering the data means bringing back is called restore the data. So if the company is deleted, if you restore the data which is saved in the other place, the backup data latest, that will come back and it will be restored here. So the data will come and we can continue that. So this is called the backup of data backup and restore. Backup and restore of company data. How to do? Here, first of all, here, when you want to back up, so not in this folder, you have to back up in another folder. In another folder, you have to create a backup file. So here, it is E drive. So in the next drive, F drive, you will keep the backup. So go to my computer or this PC. So in this PC, go to, that is in E drive. We will go to F drive. Go to F drive. Here, create a folder called as here, new folder. What we name, give the name, backup, tally, prime 4.0. Okay. So this is created. After creating that, now you want to backup. You want to backup data. The first time, we will backup all the companies. So here, how to do is, see on this top menu, Alt K, that is company information. That is called as company information. And then data information, Alt by data. That is the data box. What is the different box we have to do on it? Click that. The first one is backup. So if you click that, it will ask you, so this is the E drive, these are the companies. So from these companies, all companies are companies. We have to back up. But where to keep the backup folder? Where is the backup folder? Where to keep the backup? So here, so select the companies for a backup in these companies. What are the companies you want to back up? Okay. And then backup destination path. Where to destination path means the destination is where this is to be saved. So here, go to backspace. By default, it will show C always. By default, it will show C. So destination path. Okay. Here, the already folder is created in F drive. So we need to go back here. So here, select from drive to click. So all the folders will be shown here. Go to F drive. Backup, tally prime data. Tally prime 4.0. If you click that, it will go again, click twice. So here, destination path, that is for backup. This is the path where we have to back up the information, back up the data. And from where? From this folder, already company folder is E drive. From this folder, we have to back up there. So this is one method. Same thing. In this case, this we are creating in the beginning. Then every time we select that. But sometimes you need not create this in the beginning, just like ledgers. We can create the ledger in the beginning, or in the beginning, or when making the entry during the time during the entry, that is During the entry also, all to see who can create the ledger, isn't it? Similarly here, so we can create the backup folder in the beginning, or when you want to, backup the data. So backup destination path that is already created now, but without creating already, at the time of backup also we can create. Then I will show you how. See here, for example, so this is created and that is done. Here, go to F drive. So this one, delete. Delete this. Delete. So the folder is deleted, means folder is not created. Folder is backup folder is not created. Now we want to make backup. So create and backup the data, or at the time of backup also you can create. How? So here go to the data, backup. Here, always cursor will be here. I mean, click backspace. So backup destination path is going. Now you don't have the backup destination path. By default, we showing C. But now we have to create. So this company data path is E drive. So now the destination path, that is the data backup, we want to create for F drive. In such a case, we have to create it now. How to create? Go to the space. This is already created. Select from drive. So in the drive, we can select it. It is not there. So go to specified path, enter. It will ask you the path. What you want to create in the F drive? F colon backspace here. Backup. Tally drive 4.0. So 4.0. So accept this. So it's asking, see, it's not already created previously. Now we have not created. Now we are creating. See this data folder. See, F backup data prime does not exist. Is not created. Do you want to create it now? Yes. So it is showing there. Say, then enter. It will come there. So in the beginning, if you create, select from drive and go to F drive, select this one, or select this one, or so select this one, or select from drive, you select this one and enter twice, it will come here, or create it here, it will come here. Okay, once it is created there or here, both are same. Now, for the first time I told you, take the backup all the company. So here, first time it will show you all items, it will show every time, it will show all items. If you select all items, all the companies will be backed up. If you select only one, then it will show end of list. It will not show all that. After clicking, okay, here, go to this, click all items, means all the companies will be backed up. For the first time, we want to make all the back. So here, all items. So accept. So it is backed up. Now go to the which drive? F drive. Go to F drive. So it's created there, here. So if you click this, so all the companies backup is there. Here, I tell you, the date is today's 4th, 16 April. So date, then time 4:37 time, and the file type is this is a rare file. That is also called zip file. The data, because in every company there will be a lot of data, so that will be zipped and that will be saved here. Otherwise, it will be a lot. Okay, and then the size of that company, each company, the data size. What is the size? And here, this is the name. TBK means carry backup. TBK means carry backup. And here 1,00,001 means that is the number of the company. Every company. Here in the select company page, it will display the name wise, alphabetical wise. So number will be zigzag. But here it will be displayed number wise. There is no name. So 1, 2, 3 like that. Number wise it will display. And TBK means tally backup. What is the 1800? Means before this up to 2.1 release, the number of digits of the company name, company number is 5 digits starting with 10,000. Then time it was 900. Yeah, the TBK 900. But after from 3.0 onwards, the number of digits of the company ID increased to 6 digits starting with 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2 like that. That is why after increasing that, this is made 1800. First 900, now 1800. So this is the backup. This is the backup. Okay. This is the backup we completed. So here, and this is the first time we back up all the companies. And okay, next one, again, we worked on this company. Again, okay, out of this, in this company, the next day, we worked with this company. So this is to be, again, in this company, but not one company or many companies. For example, in this company, we worked the next day, this one to be backed up. It is to, the backup is to be taken for this. All the companies will be there. So this company we work, so other companies no change. So this company, we have to take the backup. Again, go to data. So here, previously, all the companies, now we are taking individual companies. Take backup, and every time you have to do the same thing. So backspace, go to the backup destination path, go to select from drive, go to F drive, take backup space, that backup file, backup folder, enter one, again enter. So backup folder has come. So every time you want to make up manually, you have to back up, you have to do the same thing. Then take backspace, then select from drive and select F drive and backup folder, then enter twice, it will come here every time. This is manual, that's why. And now you worked in this company. Here, see, when all the companies are there, it is showing all items. When you select one company, after that you can get individually separate. After selecting one company, you cannot select all companies, then later. Select one by one only. So here you see end of list. So selected one. So you can select one more, or you can select this only one. Suppose only this I am selecting. Go to end of list. Or you are selecting another one. For example, this also you are selecting. So I am selecting only one here. So select this one. Then select end of list. Selected here. After selecting this, then it will go to the first name, first line. So then don't click enter. You click, go to it will go here. After selecting this, entering that, it will come here and the cursor will go here. Then go to up bar, that is upwards bar, go to end of list. That's all. Accept that. You see here, already all the companies are already in backup. So this is the next backup. So this is updated backup, latest backup. The old backup will be there. So this will rewrite and replace the old backup. It is asking, rewrite the backup already existing. So you want to rewrite? Yes. Take the latest only. Old will remain. So yes, if we click, now you see, you go and see left drive. You see number 2, only one is there. So old one is removed. The latest backup replace the old one. Like that. All the companies will be these companies. I mean, only companies. Each company will show once only. When you back up, the latest backup will be replaced the old one. Old one will go and new one only. So like this, we have to, what to do? We have to back up the company data. So we are doing manually. Suppose here, what is the data here? Data folder is E drive tally prime data. This is, we set up this in when we created the company, went to the notepad in the company configuration settings, that is open file location. We went there, all the folders will be there, but the data folder we configured. So it will show some different folder. So this we configured, and this is the default one. And here, this every time this will be shown, this will be shown in another place also. You see here, you go to the data, use this Mr. and backup, go to data path. Data path, there will be 2 paths. One is company data path, another one is backup data path. First of all, the company data path, this is the company data path. So that will be shown the company data path you drive. Okay. And now, every time, whenever you want to back up, you have to go to backup. In backup, so this folder, backup folder will not be shown. I have to go back, go to the select from drive, then again go to F drive, and then select this one and this one. Like that you have to do every time. Instead of that, here, what we can do is here, if you go to data path, this is the company data path. The next one is company backup path. So that backup path in F drive, if you go that backup path here, so automatically every time we need that select automatically, it will be displayed. automatically. So here enter will not work. Come to down space, down arrow, then enter. See here. So where is the backup data? So go to select from drive. So go to F drive, then select this one. So select this one. Okay. See the company data path, data backup path has come here. It is data path E drive. Backup path is in F drive. Accept. That's over. Now, if you are now the next day, you want to say this one, number 6, you want to back up this one. So to back up this one, again go to data, backup. See, already you have see backup data. Where is there? Where is the backup data? We have given the backup data here already. That is why every time you need not select at all. Automatically the backup destination path will display here. This is the company data. This is backup data. But most of the people, they will tell you the manually only. This automatic, this data, this nobody, many people don't know about this. Okay, this is automatically by default the destination path in destination backup path will be displayed here through this one. You do it here. This is already there by default it will take. But here we have to do because in the data folder already it is the data folder. That is why the data folder will be there by default. This one we have to enter because that is the data folder for working. It is fixed. But this data backup, the system don't know where you do. So we have to create that. Already created in the beginning or during backup, we created. So next time that one is to be fixed here. Once it is fixed, that's all. Every time it will come. So we are taking this one. Number 6 are data folder. Number 9 we will take for example. Number 9, only one. Again, after that it will go to the first line. So we don't want that, or you want another one. Whether the Ranga computers taken 2. So end of list 2 we selected. So here, first one 9. We want to overwrite. Yes. Second one 12. You want to overwrite. So we selected 2. So 2 data for the 2 companies, the data is overridden. So here, go to here. Every company will be shown once only. See here, everything that is the latest backup replace the old backup. So like this, if you do, we can automatically the backup path also will be shown. We need not select every time. Automatically, it will be shown here. So we need not go back and select from drive, select the backup path. So automatically it will come. So just only select any company. What are the companies you are working? So this is about the backup. But it is manual only because manually you are making. So whether this is given here or not, when you are making the backup, whether you select it here to drive or automatic scanning, and all this backup we are making, selecting the companies and we are making manually. That's why this is called as manual backup. Okay. Now we backed up all the data. Backup is in F folder. F drive backup folder. Suppose by mistake this one we are before by mistake instead of delete, you want to select delete one company, by mistake instead of selecting that company we selected this company. So go to Alt K, go to second one Alt. So this is alteration page. So click Alt D, delete. You want to delete? Yes. Are you sure? You want to sure? Are you sure to delete? Yes. So click. So now you see. So 200 1,02,000. So that is deleted. So some problem. Any problem or anything is deleted. Some problem in the data is corrupted. Whatever it may be. So now what to do? So it is deleted here, but there it is available. We have tried in the data backup data, it is available. Okay. So now we have to what to do? We have to get back from the backup folder to the company data folder. So from that folder to this folder, we have to get back. That means we have to restore the data from that backup folder to the original company data, original company folder, company path, company data path. We have to restore from there. So how to do that? So now it is. Now we have previously what are the companies to backup? So backup path it is asking, right side, original data. From the data to backup we are taking. Now the original path it will show, backup folder it will show on the right side. So from this backup folder, we have to bring back to the original folder. See here, we go. Now go to the restore button. Click the restore button and here, so destination here, companies for restoration. Restore from their backup path to original path, original data path, we have to bring back, restore. That's why the original path is shown here, E drive, tally prime data. Okay. And this is the backup folder. In the backup folder, all the companies are there. So what you want to do? What are the companies you want to restore? Suppose if you want to restore only this. Okay, select this. It is showing the when previously it was backed up and time of date and time of backup 441 we backed up. Okay, this is one. Another one which one deleted, we deleted. We have not deleted anymore. Only one we deleted. So by mistake it is deleted. Now it is selected and go to the last upper one. End of list. So okay. So now, so it will not show immediately. Just click escape and then I click no. Not if you click yes, it will go. Again you have to open. Just click no and it will come back again. Or escape or click no. So here preliminary test number 2. So it has come back. See, it has come back. Click A and 2, remove the date. So from 1st September, 1st April to the last entry, all the entries are again restored. This is called backup of data and restore of data. Backup and restore. Backup is manual. Every time you have to select that one, or by default here if you do in the path, automatically it will be selected. But the companies we have to backup. Select the company and declare press. Then only that will go to the backup list and the data will be backup. Okay, that is why. So we are manually making the data backup and restore. Restore data is only manual one. So in that only what are the company you want to restore? We don't know. That is why. What is which company you want to restore? The data is lost or corrupted. That company you have to select and that is only manually only you have to do. And in the backup is also so far we did manually. So with this, I'm closing this. Okay. So with this, I am closing this topic. And next topic is related to this only. So what we are doing every time, every day. First time, all the companies will back up. And from second day onwards, company which we are, that is to be backed up. We have to take the backup of that company, isn't it? And every day I told you, every day, whatever company you work, so just take the backup every day. But sometimes we may forget. We may forget. So to solve this problem, there is another program called as auto backup. Registration is same, no problem. But backup only. This is manual backup. Every company, you are backup, taking backup. But auto backup means that will remind you. You forget to take the, backup. But when you work in a company, and if you go to another, this company will be closed. You close this company, you will go to another company. So if you forget to take backup and close this company, go to another company, this company data will not be taken, backup will not be taken. But in that case, it will, whenever you work a company, and whenever you close a company to work in another company, when you close the company, it will ask you, do you want to back up? So definitely, yes or no, we have to go, then otherwise it will not move. So we have you just enter, it is yes. So if you enter that, automatically it will be backed up. Okay, so that is called as automatic backup. Restoration is same. Restore is same. So in the next class, we will take up auto back. Nobody will tell you this one. Nobody will know. They know, but they don't know how it works and how they will do. Okay, that I will show in the next video. Auto backup. Backup is auto, but here is only manual. And in this also, many people they don't know about this. Okay, so just they will say, go here, backup. It will not be there. Go there, select from drive, select, and then go. That is manual. It is not there. But here, this is given here. If you do this, then automatically, whenever you backup path will come automatically. Take the backup path. So see here, automatically if you click that, backup path will be there. backup destination path will be there. This nobody knows, and this auto backup, most of the people don't know. Even if they know, they don't know how to do that. Okay, next video I will take up that. Okay, next video I will take up the next video. Okay, so not share is not screen is not shared. Okay, tomorrow we'll take up that and see one thing. All the people they are watching the videos without subscribing. Please subscribe channel. Everyone watching my videos, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon next to the channel. Subscribe button. Click the bell icon. So there will be an option select all so that you will get notification for all the videos which I upload. And share the channel with others also. And every video you watch till the end, because in this case, if you watch half and miss the second part, so automatically how to make that? See the backup, default backup part, how will you? So that you will miss. That's why watch till the end, and then if the video is good, like the video. If you like the video, YouTube will recommend this video to many people. So many people will know this one. Okay. And also, I am taking up online classes also. If you are interested, you can contact me and join the online classes. My number is given in every on the top of on every thumbnail. My number is available. You can contact me. So meet in the next video. Bye.